Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share folder link in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to share a folder link in your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening a Terabox app guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox. Now in order to proceed to share your folder link in Terabox app, you can see guys, after landing over here at the bottom of the screen, there are a bunch of buttons where it says home, files and share at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the files button at the bottom middle section of the screen and you land over here where all of your folders and files will be available for us. Now to share your folder link in Terabox, you can see there is one folder over here which I want to share. Now in order to proceed, tap and hold on the folder over here, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of that folder, the menu will appear at the bottom of the screen at the same time. And at the left side over here, at the bottom left side on this menu, you can see there is the share button just beside the delete button. Tap on the share button over here and this kind of interface will appear over here where you can share your folder link from different types of social media platforms. You can see guys, either from the Messenger, Telegram, Terabox Friends, WhatsApp and many more over here available for us over here. You can see there are a lot of social media app on my phone similarly as well. So let's do that again. Let's tap on share and let's tap on the Messenger for a demo purpose, and I'll be sending it to myself over here on the Messenger. So let's enter my name over here and I'll be sending it to myself, and it has been sent guys. And let's open up the chat box over here and let's close this and let's go back to the Messenger. And you can see guys over here, the Terabox link of the folder has been sent. So similarly you'll be able to send it to Telegram and many more social media platforms. And let's tap on share, and also you'll be able to copy the link and paste it wherever you like in order to share the folder. So I've copied the link, I'll be just pasting it on the notepad of my phone. So let's open a note and let's create a new note and let's paste it. And you can see guys, the link has been pasted. And with that being done guys, you can share this link to whomever you like and they will be able to download that folder from your Terabox app, which will be shared from your Terabox. And with that being said guys, this is how to share folder link in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.